fact, viewers, the IMD has now issued a red warning for all districts of Delhi for the next 2 to 3 hours. Now, the warning covers Central, East, New Delhi, North, Northeast, Northwest, Shadra, South, Southeast, Southwest and West Delhi. Now, the IMD has warned of thunderstorms and lightning accompanied by gusty winds of around 60 kilometers per hour. Heavy rainfall is exceeding 15 millimeters per hour is also very likely during the warning period. The alert comes as Delhi NCR continues to witness active monsoon conditions, with the weather department now forecasting that rain and thunderstorms across the capital is to continue for a couple of days. Residents are also being advised to remain cautious as strong winds, lightning and intense rainfall could disrupt normal movement and also worsen waterlogging in vulnerable areas. So, Arzu, it seems like that for the next couple of days, the residents will continue to face challenges as far as the commitments are concerned by the Delhi government. It seems like have not been fulfilled, as they claim that 95% of the desilting has been done. So, are we hearing anything from the authorities side as to what all action will be taken in those particular areas?
Well, definitely, there were claims, there were, preparations about which the Delhi government has talked about. But yes, the reality seems to be very different, because these are the areas which, earlier also have reported waterlogging, and the government said that the work has already been done on these areas. But as we can clearly show you, the students, the children, the commuters are passing through these roads and are facing a lot of problem because of this, the current situation. We'll also try to have the conversation with some of the commuters who are passing through this. How do they see, as there is a change in government, but still the situation on ground remains the same. Sir, आपसे बातचीत करना चाहेंगे, कितना प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है? एक बार फिर से बारिश हुई और वही हालात दिल्ली के?
मैं नहीं बता सकता।
प्रॉब्लम हो रही है आप लोगों को?
बहुत ज़्यादा, बहुत ज़्यादा।
सर,
सरकार जिंदाबाद।
डिसअपॉइंटेड है सर? सो देखिए, क्लियरली लोग जो है वो कहीं ना कहीं डिसअपॉइंटेड नज़र आ रहे हैं, परेशान नज़र आ रहे हैं, जिस तरीके से हालात जो है वो बने हुए हैं। इसी सड़क से देखिए लोग जो है वो गुजर रहे हैं और अपने ऑफिस जा रहे हैं, अपने काम के लिए। डेफिनेटली दे आर क्रॉसिंग दीज रोड्स and the waterlogged roads, and they are very disappointed from the government, because they were hopeful that the government is working on the waterlogging. But as you can see, just a few hours of heavy rainfall, and this is the current situation of the ITO in the national capital. Yes,
Absolutely, Arzu. Stay with us. More breaking news coming in. The IMD has issued an orange warning for several